What's up, everyone? XRP Nick here. So I've been part of the XRP army and following XRP for about 7 years now. Like a lot of you, I've spent a ton of time trying to understand what XRP could actually be worth if real utility and adoption continue to grow. We've all seen a wide range of XRP price targets, but I kept coming back to one question. What would those prices actually require from a utility standpoint? That's why I built the XRP Utility Model calculator. This is a free tool that lets you enter a target XRP price and estimate the amount of direct XRP settlement volume that would be required to support that price under the assumptions used in this model. I want to be clear that this is not a price prediction and it isn't telling you where XRP will or won't go. It's simply a framework that lets us test different price scenarios and better understand what they could require from a utility perspective. So, for example, we got our target XRP price right here. We can use our little arrows and go up. So we'll check out what $10 looks like. And from this, you can see that the estimated required direct XRP settlement volume would be $67.53 billion a day to get that $10 XRP price. Now, just for fun, you can check out our 589. And the volume is gonna show that we're gonna need $3.98 trillion daily in settlement volume to hit that 589. But I'm not gonna try to stick around on the 589 topic too long here. But the purpose isn't to prove or disprove a particular price target, it's to make the discussion more measurable. So you'll also find additional context through the site to help explain the results and show how the model compares with current market activity. I'll break down those features in future videos, including how the model works, what each output means, how the assumptions affect the result, and how exchange volume fits into the broader picture. I don't want to cram everything into one video and make the tool feel more complicated than it needs to be. I also want this to be useful resources for the XRP community. I'm one of you guys, and I've been trying to make sense of the same discussions around utility, liquidity, settlement, volume, adoption, prices for years. The site is completely free to use, and I'm open to recommendations and feedback from the community. If a recommendation makes the model clear, improves its accuracy, or adds genuinely valuable feature, I'm happy to explore it. At the same time, I want to keep the model transparent, consistent, and easy to understand rather than adding these simply to create a more bullish or bearish result. This first video is really just an introduction. In the next videos, I'll start breaking down the calculator one feature at a time and explain how to interpret the results. You can try it completely free at XRPUtilityModel.com. Put in your own target, test the numbers, and let me know what you think. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you in the next video.